beautiful and my handsome puss.
Budak nakal.
Yeah.
Budak nakal for our friends from not from Malaysia. Budak nakal means naughty boy.
Exactly.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, just very, very quickly before we let the green light for our next round to begin, I just have a few questions for you. So, what have you been up to lately? Last time I saw your screen was on this drama called Cinta FB.
Chicha FB, there's one for hit series and such.
Yes. So, any more movies?
And
or
now
dramas?
currently I'm working on my latest project, which is the Piramli musical. But the performances will be in Ipoh from 19, 20 and 21st
Okay.
this month.
Now, not many people actually know this. Well, at least I didn't. I always thought of you as an actor first, singer later. But you actually started your career singing first. You pursued acting, but now you want to focus more on your singing career.
That one
right?
is correct. But before I became a singer and actor,
Yeah.
before that I'm working as a dancer for 8 years. I'm one of the dancers for Datuk Seri Nurhaliza a long time ago when she started to sing.
Ingat tak?
Of course, the first time that I back up during the AJL, the girl lagu is Nirmala. One of the
Nirmala.
song, yeah.
Wow. And wow, so you really are a jack of all trades.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, and we are USMers. You did your master's.
I did my first
your degree in USM,
degree in
right?
USM, my first diploma in dance department in Aswara.
Okay. And you are doing your master's now, is that
Very
correct?
soon, very soon. You are game, inshallah.
Okay.
Wish me luck.
Why pursue a master degree, Arja?
Okay, actually, I just want to share what I have, what I go through my experience.
Right.
Since I'm young, and now I'm still young actually, you know. And I want to be a lecturer. So to be a lecturer, one of the progress, like the process you have to get degree, master, and PhD. So you have the qualification to be a lecturer. Exactly.
I
want to share with other people.
And it's something that's stable. You know, in this entertainment industry, sometimes it can be a little bit tricky. We love it, you're very passionate, but it can be a little bit scary.
But for me, it's very simple. Definitely,
Right.
I just want to be like a celebrity with education to educate our people.
I love that.
Yeah.
Spread the love, spread the education.
Hey guys,
All right.
guess what time is it?
Oh, is it time now?
Okay.
Showtime.
It's showtime?
Yep, upcoming now. Next, we have models, the 18 finalists walking in RSVP and jeans. So enjoy.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Arja.
Thank you, RJ.